Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Jonalyn Ortega,
What is your age?
34 years of age.
What year were you born?
I was born on June 26, 1981.
Do you have a valid work permit and identity card?
No.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
No.
Do you drink?
No.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money and help to my parents.
What is your hometown?
Cagayan, Bulacan.
What is your level of education?
High school graduate.
Are you married or single?
I am married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have.
How old are they?
12 and 10 years old.
Who takes care of them?
My husband.
How many people are there in your family?
Have 4 brothers and 6 sisters.
Are your parents alive?
Yes.
Do you have financial commitment to support any or all of them?
No.
If they fall sick, who can take care of them?
My sisters.
Do you have any debts either here or in your hometown?
No.
Do you owe an employment agency any money?
No.
How many years of experience do you have?
4 years in abroad and 3 years locally.
What do you enjoy most about the job?
Most important, love your job and enjoy it.
What do you enjoy the least?
No.
Do you have allergies for food, drugs, and detergents?
No.
Are you afraid of pets?
No.
How do you handle conflict with your previous employer?
I understand. Stay quiet and talk to my employer afterward.
Do you accept no day offs but to be paid by your employer?
Yes.
In your last place of employment, were both employers workers?
Yes.
What's your role primarily child care or housework?
Both.
How many hours each day do you work?
10 hours.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
No.
Would you be willing to attend such a course?
Yes.
If my child burnt his hand on the iron, what would you do?
I give first aid, then tell to my employer.
If my son is being very naughty when you were babysitting him, what would you do? How would you discipline him?
I talk to him patiently and teach him to be good.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and stay at night?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes.
Which cuisines are you familiar with?
Filipino food.
Would you be willing to cook vegetarian or Chinese food?
Yes.
Can you speak Cantonese?
No.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
Resting.
Do you have any special skills like dancing, painting, or singing?
Yes. Dancing.
What is your message to your employer?
Hi, madam. I promise I am a good helper. Please hire me. I am honest and respectful. I am good cleaning in your house. I take care of your children.
Sing one nursery rhyme.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Thank you, ma'am, sir.